Hey Pascal.
Yes, sir.
Do we fly coach?
No.
Do we fly business class?
No.
Do we even fly first class?
No, we fly private.
Woo!
First luxury jet experience. How are you feeling?
I feel zen. I feel relaxed. And I feel like I am in a dream.
Nice, nice, nice.
So when I wake up, nah, I don't want to wake up.
Let's take a tour. So I seem to be sitting in the seat right now that has all the controls over the lighting. So I'm hoping you can see this. Nice gold-plated control. But we have everything for the to control the audio if we wanted to have music on board. We have everything to control the video for the video screen monitor that's up. And the lighting, this is the lighting for the whole plane. This table folds in over here and otherwise it's completely open. Our favorite part is this lever right here. You pull this lever up and you can turn your seat however you want. It's super epic. Pascal, turn your seat for me. Yeah, that is not something that you could do on just about any other airplane. So this is so far one of our favorite features. Okay, so I'm gonna shoot this using my cell phone because I didn't want to be obvious that I was taking my big camera into the bathroom, but this is the bathroom on a private jet. It is crazy.
So we left the cold, barren wasteland that was Philadelphia, and we have now arrived here in beautiful Punta Cana. I am currently relaxing outside of the private villa me and my family are on vacation at. So I flew on a private jet, arrived, took private transportation to this private villa just so that we can stay inside of a COVID bubble as a family. And now I'm about to take you for a tour through the private villa. It's unbelievable, just gorgeous. It's called Las Hamacas in the Dominican Republic, so let's get it going. This is the first room I'm showing you. It's called the game room, obviously. And in here we have played pool and we're playing all kinds of fun board games. It's awesome. This room is so much fun. This room is the office, which this week I promised myself, other than shooting video, I will not be in this room here. I won't be in this room. I'm not working. I did do a little drawing. My niece is making me a GBD inspired bracelet right here. So as a thanks to that, I'm making her a custom graffiti art with her name. I don't know. Graffiti art is where I got my start in the creative world, so I absolutely love it. This humble dining area, this is where we have all of our meals. This is the second room that I'm showing you. This is the living room, family room, whatever you want to call it. We've only spent maybe 5 minutes in here, and that's because it poured rain last night, so we came into this room. The level of detail that they've done to decorate, to make this an Asian island sanctuary in the Dominican Republic, it's very impressive. See this beach right here? This is a private beach. Private beach. Only us. There's literally a sign that tells people they're not allowed on this beach. It's only for our family. That's the master bedroom, not my bedroom. Bedroom number 2, also not my bedroom. Bedroom number 3, also not my bedroom. Bedroom 4 and bedroom 5, we're still not at my bedroom yet. Finally, here we are, bedroom number 6. So again, I just said bedroom number 6. And this one is my bedroom. Okay, so why do I show you all of this? Is it to brag? No, I'm not here on my own. I can't afford to do this. However, I will say this. This has now become a massive life goal for me. So if you're like me, you have what's called a bucket list. And a bucket list is a list of things you want to do before you die, before you kick the bucket. And I've talked about this on past videos, but in this one, I want to point out that being able to afford this one day as a business owner, that has now become a massive life goal for me. Being able to get on to a private jet, being able to get into a private villa, massive, massive plan for me. So, small business owners who are being small and thinking big, you can be a small business, but still have big dreams of accomplishing a lot financially and still be the small business that you want to be. Make the right choices in business, have the right motivation and drive, and one day you could get into that private jet. One day you can get into that private villa and have the vacation of your absolute dreams. That's it, that's all I got for today. I'm hoping that this is the only video I'm gonna be inspired to make while on vacation, because it's just, I mean, look at this. Just look at this. It is hard to just believe and fathom that I am standing here with palm trees behind me right now. That's it, I'm going. Have a great day, y'all. Take care. Small business owners, be small, think big. You wanna buy the shirt? It's going to be live by the end of this week, so you'll be able to go and purchase the shirt again. I wish y'all the best. Take care.